The unicorn. Okay? And this is from the spirit part. Remember I was telling you the decks? Spirit. The etherical part. Esoteric part. Very beautiful. And the crazy is I was hoping to get the phoenix, but the unicorn, he's just as deep, even after Cuba. And hey, Queen of the Fae, don't sleep. The unicorn. It's so pretty. Look. Excuse me. Reconnecting to higher wisdom and divinity. Be yourself. Asking for help. Not just physical, but spiritual. It's difficult. It's difficult to see, hear, or think of a unicorn without immediately questioning if it's real. Did they ever exist? Perhaps long, long ago? The mind answers maybe, or it could be, or no way. This is contemplation, explains our relationship with divinity, and encapsulates our wavering belief in the unicorn. We wonder what divinity is. We wonder where our intuition comes from. And if we can only trust it, we think about a higher power. Our mind hesitates between yes, no, and maybe. Is it male or is it female? Does it have a name? Is it just a feeling? The unicorn card appears and wakes us up to curiosity about the higher self and the divine. It is a card of questioning, exploring, and contemplating the inexplicable. The mind's eye knows that there is something beyond our day-to-day lives, a deeper dimension to our experiences. The mind eye reaches and reaches and reaches out to grasp something more. You are the unicorn, and you have begun your quest for answers. That quest again goes back into travel. Lost and found. You lost yourself, but now you're finding yourself. And with finding yourself, you can be yourself again.